What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video with the night crew. In today's video, I'm going to be changing the oil in my truck. Alright, the first thing you want to do is remove this bolt from the oil pan, and it's a 13 millimeter. Alright, once it all is drained out, you're just going to put this bolt back in and get it in snug. Alright guys, next thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this oil filter up here, but I'm not going to be able to get it on video because it's so crammed up there. So I'll just show you after we take it off. Alright guys, that's where the oil filter was, if it'll focus. Alright, so we're just going to get the new filter ready. Rub some new oil around the seal and get it up there. Alright guys, you're going to start off pouring some oil in it. And rub some around the seal. Once you do that, it's ready to go back in. You don't want to tighten it on there too tight, you just want it snug. I did go with the Mopar. I believe that's the part number. I'll show you after it's back in. Alright guys, now we're going to be adding the oil in, and it's going to be taking 7 quarts of 5W20. I chose Pennzoil. You can choose whatever you want. This is just what was recommended. Alright guys, now that you got your oil poured in, you're going to check your dipstick, wipe it off one good time, and then dip it one more. Alright, we're good. It's in the safe. Once you know you're good, you're just going to start it up and let it run for a few minutes to get the oil circulating around the engine. And then I'll show you guys how to reset your oil light. bit. Show you guys how to reset your oil life. Alright guys, to reset this oil light, you're going to put the key in the on position, but not all the way on. For it to go on. And I'm already in the menu. Let me show you how to get to it. So if you're on your speedometer, you can click the back arrow. You're going to go down to vehicle info. Click the right arrow. And if you go through all the different menus, it'll bring you to there. And then you're gonna hold down your right arrow, and then there it is.